On days like this, be the one who untangles every worry and give your very soul the rest it desperately needs. A day in my life. You have seen plenty of videos like this. You have seen a medico give exams. You have seen a medico study. What you never saw is medico doing nothing. No studies, just a regular old day in my life. And that's what I'm going to give you. A beautiful day begins with a beautiful mindset. Today wasn't the same as every others. Why? Because I was in Selu at home with my family. It was a beautiful day. In the morning, I took my bike and wandered through the town, only to land in the nostalgia that I never thought I'd feel. Yes, I was back in the good old school days. The school was closed, but it's fine because I could go in anyway. I was the ex-alumni now, with a galaxy of thoughts in my mind and a universe of memories flooding through. I stepped inside. There seemed to be two worlds, one before and one after the school. It was such a great experience. Those serene and silent days, I miss them a little louder. In the world where I can be anything, all I wanted to be was a student here again. दीपचंद चौधरी विद्यालय सेलू. हो, मी मराठी शाळेतला विद्यार्थी होतो. It was one of the biggest schools in my hometown. It still is. It had some of the best memories in my life. Alas, that day was the last day of my stay in Selu at my home. I bid adieu to my family. It was time to come back to Nagpur and get back into the medical life.
You keep chasing stars, loving illusions, dreams of confusion. You keep chasing stars, keep falling faster, straight for disaster, chasing stars.
There was a film going on. I couldn't understand it, but it felt really good. It was about a very loyal police officer in duty giving his all. That made me think, what if everyone gives his all in life? It will be the beginning of a beautiful day. I was back in my room, and on such a short notice, I was called in college back again.
Subscribe for more videos.
Just like every story has its twists and turns, mine had it too.
Hi everyone. Hello. I've got a new haircut, as you might have noticed. That's about it. Micro journals. This is exhausting.
It was hell, submitting the practicals, getting them signed and coming back. We were so exhausted and hypoglycemic. It was time to recharge our mind and our soul. So, here comes Anuj, and we went to Haldiram to eat something sweet. Because you're alive, everything is possible. And that's how I ate 2 whole waffles and 1 drink of lassi in a single sitting. I still am not fat yet. You will die. Isn't that reason enough to live your life to the fullest? And that was the reason for us to plan adrift after exams. Just like a mobile loses an internet connection, some of us lose our grip on reality and find ourselves dreaming. For us, the loss in the grip to reality came as a boon inside Minecraft. Anuj is a genius pro player of Minecraft. Let's check out his games. Anuj, what's the weather?
Wither is a very destructive entity in Minecraft. And we have this beacon freshly made. It looks super epic.
And that can summon a god.
इससे haze 2 मिला है. Haze 2 is basically insta mine.
Finally, after having so much fun, the day was about to end. It was time to come back to my room. If forever does exist, please let this be it. Let us live like flowers, wild, beautiful, and drenched in the sun. And thus, a day in my life came to an end. If I could describe happiness to you, I wouldn't use words. This is Abhijit signing out. See you in the next video. Is the past such a monster? Something to beware of? I doubt thou ever wonder the virtues of its frown and scoff. Is the past so cruel? Something to shun away from? Isn't it the creation of your own hands? A destiny, a fate, the melody of your drums. Embrace the past, for it's yours. A dark night in the waiting. It's your beautiful love affair with life. Love her now and forever. Start dating.